Okay guys, now we are traveling here and I realized the boat was more faster than before. We are now here in boat is much way faster. Oh my god, it looks like it's a speedboat of a jet ski. I think that is a speedboat. Look, that one looks like a speedboat. Yeah, usually I'm looking on the... Oh, this is another bar. Oh yeah, there's a fountain. Wait. Mommy, we better go home and charge this. It's 15% now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Then we go back.
We can just stay here. We can see the fountain from here. Okay guys, there's a fountain. I might afraid that we cannot go it, but sorry, we cannot go to it because my mother's phone is already 15%. Usually I got my own iPad. Okay.
It's okay, it still can.
No. Oh, that's a train. Oh my, that's the train. Usually I'm not. Oh yeah. Okay, mommy. Mommy, but that's still very far. We need to go around the circle to see it.
Let's go.
Maybe we can see it on another day, okay? Tomorrow. Go with Nanay. Okay, guys. Actually, we don't have enough time to go to the fountain because we realized that there was actually a circle that we need to turn first. But I think tomorrow we can go on and sail this boat. So I can drive. Usually some people likes to go on full speed. I think there's a motor. Wait. There's a motor. What? It's just we had no life vest earlier. And the Philippines, right? So what? Look, there's one with a life vest. It's a life vest for only for the kids. I think this is sandal. Okay guys, we must go home early before that. Wait, what is this? Mommy, what is that? Why is that?
I don't know.
Bro.
Just a sign.